This is the Union Pacific Railroad Swing Bridge, built in 1907 and removed sometime after April of 2009. That's a long time ago. And it crosses the Dickinson Bayou, located in San Bernard, near Texas City, Texas, and it's gone. So, and I'll show you a close-up view. No, actually, not San Bernard. I mean, this San Leon, Texas, near Texas City, Texas. That's where this bridge is really located at, and so crosses the Dickinson Bayou, and it's removed and not replaced. Yep. So it's in San Leon, Texas.